A deadly earthquake has hit Morocco with the death toll now stands at 800 and expected to rise. Hi again and welcome, this is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. More than 800 people have died and hundreds more injured after a 6.8 magnitude earthquake struck in Morocco. The number of dead is expected to rise as rescuers dig through rubble and attempt to reach remote villages. Many of the fatalities are said to be in the hard-to-reach areas of South Marrakech. The epicenter of the quake was high in the Atlas mountain, about 43 miles or 70 kilometers away from Marrakech, a popular tourist destination. Reaching people in remote villages where old tradition buildings may be likely to collapse will be the key focus of the rescue for today. The earthquake struck in the wee hours of Friday night, damaging buildings and sending panicked people pouring into the street. At least 672 people were injured and are being treated at hospital. Officials are working to clear roads so that ambulance and aid can reach those affected, but large distance between the mountain villages mean it will take some time for the help to reach those damaged areas. This is one of Morocco's strongest earthquakes in years, and although they are relatively rare, a 5.8 magnitude tremor was felt in 1960, which caused thousands of deaths. After that, there was a change in the building laws where changes were made to withstand more magnitude earthquakes. The number of dead is expected to rise through the day as more people are uncovered from the rubble. The earthquake was felt as far away as Portugal and Algeria. Morocco has not yet asked for help from any other countries, but the United Nations has said it's ready to assist if needed. Foreign Secretary James Cleverly said that the UK government is ready to help our Moroccan friends in whatever way we can. The government is also supporting foreign nationals in the country, he said. During the publication of this report, we were just reliably informed that the death toll has now reached 820. The quake was the strongest to hit the part of the North African nation in more than 120 years, according to the US Geographical Survey. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.